Hey guys, it's Nickelodeon, and today we are making slime. So we have galaxy slime and chalkboard slime.
Okay, let's get started. So we got our slime open.
And if y'all do decide to buy these, the galaxy slime, there's directions right on the back, so you don't have to worry about it.
Okay,
And it includes everything except the bowl.
Box in here, I guess.
And this pack includes everything.
Glue.
So she's going to do her glue, and she's going to make her slime. Once she makes her slime, she's going to split it in half. And then she's going to make her transparent, like her clear slime. She's going to split it in half. She's going to red dye one half. And, well, she's going to make it all glitter. Red dye one half, blue dye the other half, and then mix it together. And that's how she's going to make her galaxy slime.
And then glitter.
La, 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 la.
If you do decide to get this, you might want to have a really strong adult.
Do you need help?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we'll pause you. And then we're going to get right to you girls, okay? Yay! Go ahead.
That's fast.
Darn it. What happened? Okay, then I get my glitter, which I'm obsessed with because I love
So pretty.
glitter. Let's see if I can actually open the bag. I will just cut the bag.
Are you sure you're supposed to... You put the glitter in now?
Yeah, it does.
Come on, let's move on. It's so shiny. Maddie's making it slimy. See, we can improvise.
Slimy.
I just guessed what you were going to say.
Slimy.
Look at that beautiful slime.
That looks pretty.
I think you can use your hands. Come on.
Yay.
Get it in there.
Mix it up. Get your hands in the slime.
Ew.
Just get the whole thing in.
Because you have to split it into two.
And then split it into
I think I'm supposed to make it till slime first. Come on, it's so sticky.
Okay.
What do people always
Try to
call
split
it?
it.
Satisfying slime.
Okay, split it and then
Squish the satisfying slime.
Can you do it? Okay, there you go.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
Get it everywhere.
Okay. As long as it's not like Mary's sauce episode.
Oh my! I think it is. Yes.
Is it? Yes. No, because it came off of you. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. Come on, mix.
That's okay. That's good.
Guys, look how pretty that is.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
That looks like pink. Okay, let's try to get that off now. Oh, that's quite a blue color.
Sticky slime.
That's really blue.
Yeah.
Well, it has to be bluer than red anyway, I guess. It's galaxy.
Yeah. It looks really pretty.
Oh.
Alright, so we're going to check back in with Maddie here, and let's see how the galaxy slime went. How'd it go?
It was a total fail. I can't even hold it. Look at that. It's sticking to the spoon. It took me 30 minutes to get off. It got in my hair. It got everywhere, guys.
It was disgusting. It got on me. It stuck to my ring. I had to go and get my contact solution just to get it off of this table.
Spray the slime like everything.
It was horrible. It got on the carpet. Shh, we're never getting it out. It was so bad. It is so bad. That's all that's left.
We were so excited, but it turned out awesome.
Oh my gosh, look what I just did. It's still attacking. It's awful. We're going to pass on and hope that we have better luck with the girls who have been so patient.
I know. Yeah. Okay, so friends. That turns out. So first,
You were extremely patient. I haven't even heard a peep out you. Uh-oh. Getting the dragon nose.
oh,
2 spoonfuls. Even spoonfuls of chalkboard paint.
But it includes a spoon.
Yeah. 2 spoonfuls. Then measure 7.5 mils of the slime activator solution.
here it is.
The slime activator
That's
solution.
I think it,
5. Pour it in slowly, Maddie. Nice and slow.
slow.
There you go.
Go.
Oh, I see
Oh, I can feel it. It's changing.
I see it.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, it feels so like slime.
I think this is not going to be a fail.
Definitely not.
I hope not.
Yep, look at that.
It's not a fail.
This is
Guys,
that.
it is not a fail.
All right, keep stirring it.
Okay. It's my turn.
Okay, you want to get yours started?
Yes.
Your stick and scrape. You can also get that paintbrush out from underneath the bowl.
Yeah.
Get the paintbrush out from under the bowl. Ah, don't move the bowl on me.
I can get it instead. Just do that.
Get another scoop, honey. There you go. Now start stirring that up.
Whoa. It looks like something.
Yeah, it like starts to feel weird. And then when you add something in and you stir it, it feels like
Now once you got that all stirred up, Mommy's going to add the activator, okay?
yeah. My slime is really good.
I'm just kidding.
Ooh. Now Maddie is gonna, well, I'm gonna rinse it out, honey. You don't have to do all that.
No, it's for her. She wanted to
I'm the spoon.
We're gonna rinse that bowl out, sweetie, and then we'll do yours.
So she's gonna have her own chalk slime because there's enough of stuff.
And because
Yes.
mine was a fail, and I really wanted slime.
Yeah.
Of course we'll make, it doesn't matter. We share everything
Do you think I
anyways.
could peek now?
That's our motto.
Do you think I could peek?
What's the motto? Nothing. What's the matter with you? Ah! We learned that from the Lion King.
Oh yeah, we did.
Why is there glue all over
I
my
was like, we did.
hand?
Oh,
Okay, look happy, Jazzy. You look so, like, mean and mad today.
Guys, look. Guys,
She's
look at my
great.
slime. I can play with it. It's done. I'm gonna peen it.
Oh, no, I gotta do this part. I had to pour while you slow stir.
So cool.
Ready?
Wait.
Okay.
It's good
That's
all
a good
over
slime.
my hands.
It's
Okay, I'm
very
ready. I love it.
Alright, ready? Slow pour. Stir.
Potato.
You can feel it?
This is so cool, guys.
My stick is getting heavier.
Just look at
See,
it.
Mom?
Alright. Stir it up, girlfriend.
Stir it up.
Stir it up.
Guys, I think I could pee mine. Do you think, Mom?
Oh, yeah. Now you can manipulate its shape.
This is.
Keep stirring, Jazzy. Keep stirring, keep
Let me
stirring.
manipulate.
Not too fast, not too fast, not too fast.
Okay.
You don't want it spilling everywhere. Just, okay, manipulate the shape of whatever you want. And
Can I go rinse this out?
it's got like really cool pastel paint colors.
Here it is. It
It
farts.
kind of goes with our Easter, right?
It farts.
Mommy, it farts.
If the slime farts, it's good.
Yes.
All right?
Okay, so I'm gonna get my pictures.
Isn't this cool, you guys?
Yes.
Who'd have thought slime you can paint on?
I never thought of that.
The creator of this.
Okay.
Mary's turned
I love it.
gray.
It's like a bluish gray. I like it.
I like it too. But she painted her entire
Mary, maybe
slime.
you could be making wigs. It's perfect color. For old.
for Granny.
My hands are getting tired.
I won't mention any YouTube family names that have been not so fair to grannies lately. They knew who I'm talking about.
Dude.
Callie and Jordan Squad.
Fun. I like them. I just watched some of their
She's so
videos
funny.
like right before this.
He's really funny.
Oh, guys, go check out their channel.
Look what Jaslyn's doing.
She is like
This is slime, you guys. Jaslyn is
pink
painting a rainbow and clouds in a sky. It's almost as precious as her.
Wow. And some grass.
What's that, Hickey Pig?
I said, wow, you compared her to slime.
I'm talking about her picture.
Oh. Her art.
Oh, look at her grass.
Oh,
Maddie, you have to look at mine.
I'm looking.
Jazzy, it's gorgeous. To Mom. Oh, I love it. And now I'll have it forever. Look, I'm going to take a picture. Boop, that's going to be the thumbnail.
Mommy, look.
There's a lion, there's a tiger, and there is a
Mommy.
bear.
Mommy.
I'm watching you.
Oh my. This time it's a serious oh my, because my.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my, I just got slime.
Tiny.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's not touch that.
You guys are a bunch of nutballs.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What a compliment.
Yeah. What a nice compliment. Bye-bye.
Let's see how you're doing. Let's see. Black cauldron, black cauldron.
You think I can
Give me your witch laugh. Are you kidding me?
That is good.
That was good.
I don't know how to do
How
it.
about...
I will try.
That is good.
Do it again.
Oh, that was closer, actually. Was that your regular laugh?
This says
No.
I love you so much.
Well,
Mom, no.
what?
It says I love you so much.
Let's get in on it. Mary, all you've done is play with it. Are you going to draw again?
Sure.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I know my best.
For reals. And you're messing up the tablecloth? Look what you did. You like pulled it all the way up. Now the flowers that grew are growing
Bigger.
the wrong way.
Mom, ready?
They gotta grow this way.
I will work my witch left now.
Alright, come on.
I'm joking.
Actually, it's doing okay. You might be able to paint on it. There you go, little bear.
Little bear with that little hair.
Everybody calls me Little Bear, and I just love my nickname because my nickname is Little Bear.
I have the worst nickname. Maddie Patty. I never share that.
It's okay.
Really? I call you patty cake, too.
Yeah, that one too.
Patty cake,
Patty cake.
What's your nickname, Jazzy? Well, Jazzy's one of them.
Jazzy Bazzy.
Nope, Jazzy Cat.
Yeah, Jazzy Cat.
Jazzy Bear.
Jazzy Bear, Jazzy Cat.
We call her like animals, but I'm Mayor Bear.
No, I'm a Patty, Mary.
Patty.
You're a Krabby Patty sometimes.
Oh, yeah, because I want to eat.
I'm just kidding.
What do we call James?
Choo choo.
Choo-choo, Hames, Wames, Lazy.
Yes, very lazy. That is true.
Look.
My kids get me in trouble. Help me. Help me.
You're being a bad girl, mother.
Seriously, help me. I don't know what they're going to do to me tonight.
I'm going to hide.
We're gonna tell you to wake us up.
I'm scared of you.
Oh my gosh.
Mama.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Help.
Mommy, look. Mommy, this is
Oh
the
my
snow and
gosh.
this is the mountain. Mama. Mommy.
What? You told me you're going to kill me. I don't want to talk to you.
These are the mountains, and then this is the polar bear, and then the snow. Mom.
I'm going to get your hair again. What? What is that, your killer polar bear?
What, Mom? You don't scare us, but we scare you.
You really do. It's like, go to timeout now!
Swiper, no swiping.
Watch Dad come out here. What's going on?
Then, like, he's like, what's going on? And she's like, oh, the kids are trying to, and we cover her mouth. We're trying to be so nice.
Mom's lying on us, Dad. Sweet Daddy.
He would probably say, okay.
No, he wouldn't.
I know.
He knows you all too well.
Making a sign.
I live in a cage.
No, you don't. You have a pretty mother.
You wanna do my witch thing?
You have a witch thing? I don't even let them watch, like, this is the first year they're allowed to watch Hocus
I'm going to
Pocus.
kill you with my potion.
With your spotion?
Yeah,
See? They don't even know what potion is.
I meant potion. What the?
That's how sheltered they are.
Okay, that's mine.
This is the first year slime's allowed in the house.
No,
No, that's mine.
no. It's okay. Maddie.
I don't allow anger in this house. So you better turn that frown upside down.
I'm never gonna do it. I'm not gonna listen. I was kidding.
I need my paintbrush. Who took my paintbrush?
Me.
Yep.
Can I have it?
But I'm making a pink masterpiece over here.
I need it.
She's making a patty cake.
I don't
Is that a
care.
Krabby Patty?
No.
Madeline took... Did you take Jasmine's paintbrush?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Here, Jazzy. Use Daddy's paintbrush.
Okay.
She's like, I don't care.
I'm just kidding. I'll get you something, baby. I was kidding. It won't fit. Wow.
I don't care. I'll use.
Alright, back at it.
I'll always
Jazzy!
be with you. Yeah.
Alright.
Mine
little bear,
is
little
so
bear.
cute.
That is cute.
Yeah. I could draw a bear.
A bear? You mean paint?
Yeah.
That's what Maddie has to say.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to...
Like, subscribe, comment down below.
And hit that...
No!
Bye.